Today is Friday, April 10th. This is a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado dual module, convertible top and power antenna switch for my friend Dave in Tarpon. And this is the third video out of a 3-video set. I'm doing a functional validation test, having fully restored the unit. As in the predecessor videos, I had shown the complete disassembly and had changed out the rocker switches internally, as well as the plungers. The rockers had arced, so obviously there was a problem with the current. And so now that we have the fully restored embodiment, fully assembled, I'm going to go ahead and apply power. And we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on. Okay. So this is the up position for the power antenna with the lock in place. Okay, now I'll reverse polarities. And we'll check the down position, which is in a rocker type configuration. And that's the down position. So we've gone ahead and tested the up and down for the power antenna. In the predecessor videos, we showed the convertible top actuation. And now we've showed the electrical continuity, which provides the actuation for the telescopic mast of the power antenna. So this is Eldorado, Georgia, and Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, April 10th. Thank you very kindly.